Good morning, everyone. I'd like to welcome you all to today's bid opening for the ESSER program, HVAC, indoor air quality upgrades for Casey, Galloway, Spann, and Whitten. I am Anderson Irvin, architect with Durrell Design Group, and we have two bids, one hard copy and one electronic. Okay, I will start with our first hard copy bid, which is from U.S. Coding Specialists and Supplies. Their CR number is 11881-SC. They submitted a bid bond from the Ohio Casualty Insurance Company. They acknowledged they did receive Addendum 1 and Addendum 2. Okay, they base bid amount is $603,958. The bid price broken down, Casey Elementary, they have listed as $52,596. Galloway Elementary, they have $433,951. Spann Elementary, they have $39,144. And for Whitten Middle School, they have $78,267,000. Subcontractors, they do not have any listed. No mechanical, no electrical, and no plumbing. They also included the form of non-conclusive affidavits. Moving to the electronic bid, which is from the contractor Upchurch Service, LLC. Their COR number is 13634-MC. Their bid security is from Arch Insurance. They acknowledge that they did receive Addendum 1 and Addendum 2. Their base bid amount is $805,600. Their bid price breakdown is Casey Elementary, they have $213,100. And I repeat, Casey Elementary is $213,100. Galloway is $220,500. Spann is $121,200. Whitten is $250,800. Subcontractors listed, they have none listed, no mechanical, no electrical, and no plumbing. They did include their form of non-conclusive affidavits. This concludes our bid opening for the ESSER program HVAC project for Casey Elementary, Galloway Elementary, Spann Elementary, and Whitten Middle School.